Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. How is NVIDIA using AI to secretly design its own future chips? What happens when NVIDIA's supercomputers get too hot to run? How can NVIDIA dominate the tech world without owning a single factory? Why did NVIDIA stop focusing on individual chips to build entire data centers? How does NVIDIA keep millions of developers locked into its software ecosystem? How will extreme liquid cooling decide the ultimate winner of the AI race? How can NVIDIA stay ahead of rivals using automated AI chip design tools? How will strict international export laws threaten NVIDIA's global expansion? How can NVIDIA fix its dangerous reliance on a single manufacturing region? How does NVIDIA catch fatal hardware bugs months before a chip is even built? How is NVIDIA balancing its physical hardware business with a massive software pivot? What happens to global infrastructure when NVIDIA re-engineers the entire server rack? How do automated software pipelines give NVIDIA an uncopyable AI advantage? How does NVIDIA's parallel design loop make competing chips obsolete at launch? What is the real operational cost of maintaining NVIDIA's massive supply chain? 5. Key activities. NVIDIA's daily operations focus on continuous innovation, maintaining a tight loop between advanced hardware design, massive software engineering efforts, and supply chain coordination. 8 operational cases. Case 1. Full-stack research and development, designing advanced semiconductor architectures, including tensor cores, streaming multiprocessors, and high-bandwidth memory systems. Case 2. Continuous software stack optimization, developing and refining core programming platforms, CUDA, compilation drivers, and highly specialized domain libraries. Case 3. Global supply chain orchestration, coordinating advanced manufacturing, wafer production, and final packaging processes alongside leading foundry operators like TSMC. Case 4. System and platform engineering, designing high-density computing platforms, server rack assemblies, such as the NVL72, advanced liquid cooling manifolds, and full-scale supercomputers. Case 5. Artificial intelligence model optimization, optimizing complex generative AI architectures and deep learning models to execute efficiently via containerized software microservices. Case 6. Technical developer relations and evangelism, actively writing documentation, maintaining open-source code repositories, and supporting global engineering groups to grow the developer ecosystem. Case 7. Intellectual property and compliance protection, managing a large global patent portfolio while navigating complex trade rules and international export compliance frameworks. Case 8. Technical education delivery, creating educational materials, hosting training programs, and managing technical certification paths through the Deep Learning Institute. for open-ended questions. 1. How should NVIDIA balance its internal resource allocations between core physical chip engineering and rapidly growing enterprise software development? 2. As power delivery and data center heat dissipation limits become primary challenges, how must NVIDIA adapt its physical infrastructure engineering processes? 3. What engineering steps should NVIDIA take to keep its semiconductor design processes ahead of competitors who are using automated AI tools to build custom chips? 4. How can NVIDIA diversify its manufacturing management activities to reduce its reliance on highly concentrated geographic production regions? 4 core explanations. Hardware-software co-design. NVIDIA's core operational strategy relies on developing hardware and software in parallel. Design teams ensure that new physical processor features are built to run specific software libraries, while software engineers optimize code platforms to leverage upcoming silicon advancements simultaneously. Relentless ecosystem upkeep. Managing a developer base of millions requires constant operational upkeep. This involves updating drivers, resolving software library bugs, and maintaining backwards compatibility across generations to ensure developers remain locked into the ecosystem. Fabless manufacturing management. NVIDIA operates as a fabless semiconductor company, meaning they do not own physical chip fabrication plants. Instead, they focus their operational energy on design and logistics, while coordinating advanced manufacturing processes with specialized foundry partners. Shifting focus from chips to data center architectures. Modern computing demands require engineering at scale. NVIDIA's primary development activities have evolved from designing individual graphic processors to orchestrating complete server rack layouts, high-speed interconnect switches, and software-defined network routing protocols. For strategic implementation plans. Plan 1. Next-gen chip architecture engineering roadmaps. Keep hardware teams aligned to a rigorous multi-year development timeline to regularly introduce distinct performance leaps to the market. Plan 2. Automating software microservice pipelines. Create automated testing and integration pipelines to quickly optimize newly released open-source machine learning models for NVIDIA architectures. Plan 3. Expanding geographic supply chain logistics coordination. Establish broader operational partnerships with global substrate providers and final testing facilities to diversify assembly pathways. Plan 4. Scaling global enterprise software certifications. Launch updated professional certification paths for cloud infrastructure architects to expand the global pool of qualified enterprise operators. For process workflows. Process 1. Microarchitecture design to factory tapeout. Workload simulation testing, then logic architecture layout design, then automated circuit verification, then physical emulation staging, then foundry mask delivery, tapeout. Process 2. Software suite release and validation pipeline. Code optimization tracking, then multi-hardware regression testing, then security vulnerability scrubbing, then beta testing release, then global developer portal launch. Process 3. Strategic supplier allocation management. market demand forecasting, then foundry wafer capacity reservation, then substrate component balancing, then multi-tier logistics coordination, then OEM assembly distribution. Process 4. Developer curricula development, industry capability gap assessment, then technical course material authoring, then sandbox environment provisioning, then certification exam launch, then professional network tracking. For actionable recommendations, incorporate generative AI tools into internal semiconductor design. Invest in integrating advanced, internally built generative software utilities into daily design flows to shorten engineering times for new circuit layouts. Standardize cross-platform software testing regimens. Expand automated software validation testing across an array of cloud deployment environments to prevent platform updates from introducing system instabilities. Increase technical focus on extreme rack cooling engineering. Allocate more structural design resources toward developing advanced liquid cooling connections, pump configurations, and cooling manifolds to address rising system heat densities. Strengthen internal regulatory compliance auditing. Embed rigorous export control compliance checks directly into the core engineering pipelines for both hardware and software products before global distribution. For operational to-do items, conduct internal design reviews for next-generation custom processor cores to verify power efficiency targets. Audit automated code testing pipelines to ensure software stability across legacy computing platforms. Re-verify raw material lead times with global packaging and intermediate component suppliers. Finalize standard operating blueprints for integrating liquid cooling systems with Tier 1 enterprise server hardware vendors. For practical techniques, high-fidelity hardware emulation, utilizing advanced emulation arrays to replicate physical circuit behavior and catch hardware bugs months before actual manufacturing. Automated software regression testing, running extensive, continuous software testing suites to guarantee new updates do not break existing enterprise application behaviors. Multi-tier supplier interdependency modeling, utilizing data models to track supply chain workflows and predict potential bottlenecks across raw materials, wafers, and assembly locations. Agile microservices deployment sprints, managing software engineering teams in short, focused design cycles to quickly adapt vertical industry microservices to new market demands. For practical steps. 1. Identify computational performance gaps in current deep learning software compilation layers. 2. Form a cross-functional team of hardware designers and software engineers to create optimized processing paths. 3. Validate the performance updates across an array of current generation computing topologies and workloads. 4. Deliver the completed optimization smoothly to global users via standard over-the-air software driver and library updates. If you want to understand the relentless engineering loops that keep tech giants at the absolute top of their game, make sure you don't leave empty-handed. Before you click away, take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you stay ahead of the curve on tech infrastructure breakdowns. Check out the links in the description below to download your free study materials and handouts. Ready to dive into advanced architecture engineering? Click the link to access our free, advanced chapter online tutorials. Make sure to share this video with friends or colleagues who need a clear look behind the curtain of global supply chains and AI optimization. The information presented in this video is compiled with the assistance of AI and may not be entirely accurate or complete. It is provided for business case study, educational, and entertainment purposes only and should not be construed as financial or investment advice.